Pests and diseases can strike any time, threatening your hard work and harvest. Meet Biotic Engine Pilot, the smart solution that detects threats before they spread. Using AI-driven analysis, it instantly detects pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies. Get targeted recommendations to control pests effectively while reducing chemical overuse. With drone and IoT-based monitoring, you get real-time alerts and actionable insights. Precision farming saves costs, improves crop health, and protects the environment. Stay ahead of pests and diseases. Maximize your yield with Biotic Engine Pilot. Detect early. Act smart. Grow healthy.